Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Barbecue Sweets. Okay, today I'm going to reveal what I'm making for the ingredients that I did for the shopping spree. I'm going to do turtle covered strawberries. So the ingredients that you seen I picked up on Friday, that is for turtle covered strawberries, like your turtle candy. Okay, I want you guys to remember I got the Maserati old-fashioned caramel dip. I got a 16-ounce bag of Nestle semi-sweet morsels. I also got a pint of half and half milk. And I also got a bag of pecans, which I've already chopped up. Okay, before you get started, what you would need to do is put a plate in the freezer because you want your plate to be really cold once you start making your strawberries. So let's get the plate out. And I'm going to get the strawberries out. So once you get your strawberries, make sure you wash them really good and dry them off with a paper towel. And also, leave the little green stems on. Make sure you wash them and dry them real good, that there's no dirt in them. Because the green stems are what you're going to hold to dip the strawberries in. Okay, so to the caramel dip that I bought, I added 5 tablespoons of half and half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a tablespoon of butter. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, then I stirred it. I put it back in the microwave for 15 seconds. You don't want your caramel sauce too hot because it won't stick to your strawberries, so make sure you only do 45 seconds. Also, I took the bag of pecans and I chopped them up. You still want nice little pieces because you want to be able to actually taste them on your strawberries. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this. This is the Maserati caramel sauce with the butter and the vanilla extract. And just take a whisk and make sure it's smooth. Okay, I'm going to dip my first strawberry. As I said, make sure you pull the little green things up like this. And then you're going to take it and you're just going to twist your strawberry around until you get all that caramel on there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here you go. Okay, that's the caramel. And what you're going to do here, let me move this out the way. What you're going to do here, you're going to take your pecans and you're just going to do this to it. Turn it around and hold the stem, and let's do this side. Okay, that looks covered. Okay, let's do the second one. Again, we're going to take the strawberries. Make sure you hold the stem and it's nice and clean because you want to dip it in the caramel sauce and just dip it all around. And maybe you can kind of go like this so it can, you know, cover the strawberry. You see how well the caramel is sticking to the strawberries? Okay, let's do the pecans again. And you also want to make sure you put it over the bowl because you don't want to waste any pecans. They were pretty high. Okay, let's do that one. And it's on the cold plate so it won't stick. All right, let's do one more. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, let's dip the strawberries again. Just whirl them around in the caramel sauce. Okay, see that nice caramel? Let's do the pecans. And hopefully your stem won't break. I want them really covered. let's put it on a cold plate. Okay, I'm going to finish these up, and when I come back, I'll show you what to do with the chocolate. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I've covered about 6 strawberries with the turtle. Wow, I'm just drawing a blank. With the caramel and the pecans. So with the semi-sweet chocolates, what I did, I used half a bag of that, and I used 5 tablespoons of half and half. I put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I took it out, I stirred it, and I put it back in for another 12 seconds and took it out. You also want your chocolate to cool, but not to where it thickens up again. I've got this little bottle. I got it at like Michael's, but if you don't have one, you can always use a spoon and this bowl right here, or a bowl, and just drizzle your chocolate. But I find it's easier if I use this little gadget right here, and let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna go across like this. You see how I'm doing the chocolate? Okay. Just get it all over your strawberry. Let me move this one a little. Wow. This is your turtle covered strawberries. It looks yummy, yummy, yummy. You see how easy it is to do with the bottle? Okay, let's do this one. Get that chocolate all on there. And this might seem a little strange, but I found out it really helps the flavor. I want you to take a pinch of kosher salt for each strawberry and just put it on the top of it like this. It cuts the sweetness and it helps balance it out. Just a pinch. You don't want too much on there. But make sure it's kosher salt, not the iodized salt. And you can also add as much chocolate as you like. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to show you how to plate this, okay? A little decorative, you know. If you can't do this, that's fine. So I'm going to go zigzag. Let me make sure the chocolate is all the way. I'm going to go zigzag like this. And let's go like this. And always make sure when you're decorating a plate, do not take it to the edge, because if you have a customer, they have to pick up the plate. Okay, so let's go in circles. It's really easy to do with this bottle. Okay, now let's place our strawberries on. And I'll show you a beautiful decoration. Something simple that you can actually do yourself. Very easy. You didn't have to make the caramel from scratch. You just use the Maserati caramel. Let's go here. And one more here. Okay. Let me do a little more chocolate on this side. And this is your turtle covered strawberries. You guys can make this for Valentine's Day. It's really simple. It's a lot cheaper than going out and letting someone do chocolate covered strawberries for you, because honestly, I've seen how they did them in the store. They do not wash your strawberries. They just dip them in the chocolate and decorate them. Again, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And for the next 2 weeks, I will not be doing a video because I have a wedding to do, but I will come back after the end and hope to do a chicken tortilla soup. Thank you again, and God bless you. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take a bite of the s'mores. The s'mores, turtle covered strawberries. And you see the caramel, you see the chocolate, you see the pecans. Mmm. Wow. That will make anyone your sweetheart. Really good. God bless you and thank you.